Want to add a digital signature to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a certificate-based digital signature, choose your digital ID, and securely sign your document. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF that requires a digital signature. Most digitally signed documents include a dedicated signature field that you can click to begin. Click the digital signature field inside the PDF. Adobe Acrobat Reader will prompt you to sign the document using a digital ID. If the document isn't configured for digital signatures, this option may not appear. If you already have a digital ID installed on your computer, select it from the list. If not, choose the option to create a new digital ID and follow the setup process by entering your information and creating a secure password. After selecting your digital ID, review the signature details. When everything looks correct, click Sign. Adobe Acrobat Reader will apply the digital certificate to the document and verify the signature. Once the signature has been added, choose a location to save the signed PDF. So Adobe Acrobat Reader usually saves it as a new file, so the original document remains unchanged. Finally, reopen the PDF and look for the signature panel or validation message. If everything is configured correctly, Acrobat Reader will indicate that the digital signature is valid and the document hasn't been modified. And that's how you add a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Unlike a simple handwritten signature, a digital signature helps verify both your identity and the integrity of the document. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.